Fractions that have same denominator is called like fractions, and fractions that have different denominators are called unlike fractions. So welcome students in maths class. Today we are going to learn the topic like and unlike fractions. Okay, it is 7th lesson, like fractions. Fractions. The name of the lesson is fractions. So our topic is like fractions. Like fractions. What is meant by like fractions? So like fractions means the denominators are same. If two or more than two fractions are there, okay, and if we have to compare the fractions, then which fractions are like fractions? Those which having same denominator. Okay. So first write down the definition of the like fractions. The fractions that have same denominator is called like fractions. It's called like fractions. Okay. For example, some example we are taking here. Okay. Suppose 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5. Okay. See, what is the main thing here? It is the denominator are same. Okay, in each and every fraction there is a denominators are same. Numerator they are different. Okay, only we have to see the denominators. If denominators are same, then that fraction is called like fractions. Okay, so it is about like fractions. Now unlike fractions. In unlike fractions, the fractions that don't have or have different denominators. The fractions that have different denominators. In like fraction, there are same denominators, and in unlike fractions, they have different denominators. So for example, here 5 by 1, 2 by 3, 1 by 7, 9 by 8. See, here in each fractions there is different denominator. Okay, no any denominators are same, so these all fractions are unlike fractions. Okay, so it is the like and unlike fractions. The next topic is equivalent fractions. What is meant by equivalent fractions? See, in that the name equivalent means what? Equi means equal. So equivalent fractions means what? In equivalent fractions that name the same part are called equivalent fractions. Write down the definition. Fractions that name the same part are called equivalent fractions. we have to write this definition. Okay, means what is the meaning of this? Fractions that name the same part are called equivalent fractions. Fractions that name the same part are called equivalent fractions. So suppose one example is here. I am having two pizzas, okay, of same dimensions. So two pizzas are there. I will cut it in four parts, four equal parts, and here I cut it into 8 equal parts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts, and here there are 8 equal parts. Okay, now suppose I ate one part from this pizza. Okay, I ate this one part from this pizza. So what fraction part I have written? It is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means 4 equal parts are there. So we take in a denominator that 4 parts, and one part I ate. So it is 1/4 part. Okay. Now from this side, if I ate these two parts, okay, see, the dimensions are same. Okay, this much part only. So two parts from how many equal parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, two parts from 8 equal parts. Right. Now if we comparing both the pizzas, then we get that this one part and these two parts both are same, because both the pizzas are of same dimension. So if both the pizzas are same, then their parts are also same. Okay, but here we take one part, and that part is divided into two parts. So it is 1 by 4 equals to 2 by 8. 1 by 4 equals to 2 by 8. Okay, means this one part from the 4 and these two parts from the 8 both are same. So it is the fractions that name the same part. See, here it is part and this one is a part. These two are parts. Okay, so these are the same part. So if we name some different name in that same part, it is the equivalent fractions. So it is the one part from the 4 and these two parts from the 8. Both are same. So it is the equivalent fractions. Okay. Or you can suppose here it is 1 by 3, and we have to find out the equivalent fractions of this 1 by 3. Then one simple method is there. What is that simple method? Make the table of this 1. 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4. Same here, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, and 3 4s are 12. Means all these are equivalent fractions. All these are equivalent fractions. Means 1 by 3 is nothing but the 2 by 6, is nothing but the 3 by 9, is nothing but the 4 by 12. We take some example here. Or I will draw here one rectangle. So it is a rectangle. I make 3 equal parts. Okay, 3 equal parts. From these 3 equal parts, suppose it is 1/3 part. it is also 1/3 and it is also 1/3. Okay, same parts are there. Now 2 by 6, if okay, it is now 6 parts are there, right? 6 parts, and it is 1 by 3, it is 1 by 3, it is 1 by 3. This 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, 2 by 3, right? 2 by 3. So, but here how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. From these 6 parts, if we taking this 2 parts, means 1 part. Okay. This is the 1 part. Here 1 by 3. But if we divided it into 6 parts, 6 equal parts, then we will get 2 by 3. Okay. 2 by 6. Then if it is 3 by 9, then same parts we divide into 9 parts. These 3 parts are here. Now these 3 parts are divided into 9 parts, 9 equal parts. So here 1, 2 and 3, 3 equal parts from the 9 equal parts. Same if 4 parts are there, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 3s are 12. So 12 equal parts are there, and from there 4 equal parts, means 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 is nothing but the 1 part of this 3, 1, 2, 3 parts. Okay, so it is the equivalent fractions. Okay, now here exercise 7b is there. We will see in the next video. Okay, after that, bye bye, thank you.